Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant to handle customer inquiries for online education. So I run an online education platform and want to create an AI assistant on WhatsApp that will handle my student inquiries regarding courses, schedules and enrollment. So in this video, I am going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can create an AI assistant for your business, which is going to handle customer queries 24/7 and going to provide them details on the basis of the knowledge base you have provided to it. So in this video, firstly we are going to create an AI agent, and after that, if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this AI assistant, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create an AI assistant for handling customer inquiries for online education. So here you can see this is the AI assistant I have created, and this AI assistant is going to work 24/7, instantly answer questions and reduce customer support load and improve users experience, and it will help you to save hours of manual efforts and keep your brand responsive. My AI assistant is going to take the data from the knowledge base I have provided to it and going to respond to my customer queries on the basis of that knowledge base. So here you can see this is the knowledge base I have provided to my AI assistant, and my AI assistant fetches the detail of my business from this document and provide details to my customers. So I have already created this AI assistant, and now I am going to show you how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. But before moving on forward for learning the step-by-step process of creating the AI assistant, I am going to show you what we are about to create. So for that, we have to do a WhatsApp conversation with our AI for knowing its working. So for that, let's move on to my WhatsApp. So here you can see I have opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here this number is saved as my test number. Now let's enter a message that is, "Hey, I need help," and check whether our AI assistant is responding or not. Here, as I've entered this message that is, "Hey, I need help," my AI assistant is responding me with a message that is, "Absolutely, what do you need help with? I am here to assist you." Now let's enter our another question and check whether our AI assistant is responding to me or not. Here I have entered this another question saying, "Tell me about courses you offer." Now here my AI assistant is responding to me. So here, as I've entered this question that is, "Tell me about courses you offer," my AI assistant is responding me with some of the courses they offer, that is for the programming and tech, business and marketing, creative skills, competitive preparation and school support. So here our AI assistant is responding properly. Now let's ask another question from our AI assistant. Now I am going to enter a question asking for the fee details. Now let's wait for the response, and here my AI assistant is responding me with fee details. Now let's ask another question from our AI assistant and check whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. Here I am going to enter this question that is, "Do you accept online payments?" Now let's wait for the response of our AI, and here you can see my AI assistant has responded to me with the message. So you can clearly observe that my AI assistant is working properly, and you can also create an AI assistant like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can simply click over the sign in. But before moving on forward, I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly community, and Pabbly community is the platform where automation users, business owner and marketers gather to share their ideas, ask questions and discover latest feature of Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us. And if you wish to join Pabbly community, you can find the link in the description given below. Now let's move on to a Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to just click over the sign in as I have already an account on Pabbly. And once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And as I have already told you that we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow for automation, we will be just using this app that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see we are getting the option for access now. So now let's select this access now button over here, and once you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and on this add WhatsApp number button you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. And moving on further, we are getting the option for create a new folder. So if you want to create your own folder, you can simply click over this button and create your own folder. And on the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and these features are inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, get help. So if you want to learn more about these features, you can find the link in the description given below. And now, as we are going to create the AI assistant, you simply have to click over this AI assistant on the sidebar. And once you will select AI assistant, you will be landed to this AI assistant page. And here you can see these are the AI assistant I have created in my account. Now I am going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that, you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button, and as you will click on add AI assistant button, you will get a dialog box where you have to provide name to your assistant. And here I am going to provide the name, that is LearnSphere, which is the name of my brand. Here I am providing it the name LearnSphere AI. Now you simply have to click over this add AI assistant button and you will be landed to the AI assistant page. And right here we are in the AI assistant page. And here on this AI instructions, you can see it is asking me to select the instruction type. So if you want to select the custom prompt as your instruction type, you can select it and get the prompt instruction. But here I am going to select this AI agent as I am going to create an AI assistant. You can also select customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach, futuristic fashion advisor. Now let's select this AI agent over here, and here you can see I have got these instructions. So if you want to add instruction of your own, you can also provide it over here. Now as we have configured this AI instruction, let's move to our AI configuration. And here on this AI configuration, you can see it is asking me to select the temperature. So you might be wondering what is this temperature doing over here on the AI assistant. So temperature here basically means the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means focused and 1 means more creative. So if you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5. And afterwards, it is asking me to select the AI to use. So here I am going to select the Open AI over here. Now further we are getting the option for selecting the model. So here I am going to select the model as GPT-4 or Mini. You can choose model according to you. Now we are getting the next block, that is API key. Now for getting the API key, you have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So here it is basically saying that we have to visit OpenAI API's key page to get the API key. So now let's visit this page over here, and here you can see we have successfully landed to the OpenAI API's key page, and on this page you can see we are getting the option for create new secret key. So just select it and you will be landed to this dialog box where you have to provide the name and the project name, and after that you have to simply click over this create secret key button and your secret key will be created. But here as I have already an API token, I have already pasted it. Now you simply have to click over this connect button, and here you can see I am getting this pop-up that is OpenAI key saved successfully. Means we have successfully saved our OpenAI key. Now further we are getting the AI assistant setting block. So from here you can manage some of the AI assistant settings. So if you want to provide header message or the footer message, you can simply enable it and provide the header or the footer message, but I am going to keep it as disabled. And now we are getting the option for stop keywords. So if you want to provide the stop keywords, you can simply enable it and provide it over here. And now we are getting the retry attempt. So if you want to provide the retry attempt, you can simply enable it and enter the number from 1 to 10, which is the valid range of retry attempt. So retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond, but I am going to keep it as disabled over here. Now further we are getting the option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message and I am going to keep it as the same. Now let's configure our another block, that is knowledge source. Now here we have to provide the knowledge source which contains the detail of our business. So here we are getting the option for uploading the file file, and you have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted is .txt. So firstly we have to convert our document into the .txt format. So for that you simply have to go to the knowledge base which you have created for your business, and on this knowledge base you simply have to click over this file option, and after this file you can see we are getting the download section, and on this download section you simply have to click over this plain text.txt and your .txt file format will be downloaded. Now, as I've already downloaded the file, I will choose the file and drag it here. So let's select it, and after that on the download sections you can see I'm getting this file that is about Learn Sphere. So let's select it and drag it over here, and here you can see my file has been uploaded successfully and I am getting this pop-up. And you might have observed that as soon as I have dragged the file, I have got the name and the vector ID. Now let's configure the assistant interface, and here on the assistant interface it is asking me to enter the header display or the heading name. So here on the header display or the heading name I am going to provide my brand name. So now let's enter our heading name here, and here you can see as I have provided the heading name, it is appearing over the preview of the chatbot. Now further we are getting the option for entering the subheading name, and we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, and this subheading name is appearing over the header below the heading name. Now further we are getting the option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message that is hi there, how can I help you today. And now I am going to show you how you can add your own initial message. For that you simply have to type the message over here. Let's say I have entered this message hello, and this message hello is appearing over the preview of the chatbot, but I am going to keep only one initial message, so I will be removing this message hello from here. And further we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display the powered by Pabbly label which is appearing on the footer of our chatbot, you can enable it, but if you want to disable it you can simply click over the disable, and here you can see our powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I am going to keep it as enable over here. Now further we are getting the option for footer text. So if you want to provide a footer text you can provide it over here. Now we are getting the option for footer links. So if you want to provide a footer link you can provide it over here. Now at last we are getting the user's first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user's side. So here it is written as I need help, but I am going to convert it as hey I need help, and here our user's first message is ready. Now let's provide styling to our AI assistant. For that you simply have to click over this styling for customizing the visual appearance of your chatbot. Now on this styling section you can see it is asking me to select the theme mode. So if you want to select the theme mode you can select it from here, and now let's check how our AI assistant will look in the dark mode. So let's select it, and here you can see the theme mode of our chatbot is changed to dark, but I am going to keep it as light over here. Now further we are getting the option for assistant shape. So if you want to provide a shape to assistant you can provide it over here. Now in the next section we are getting the properties on which we can provide the coloring. So if you want to change coloring of any properties of your chatbot you can change it from here. Now at last we are getting the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of profile to your chatbot you can provide it over here. Now we are done with our chatbot. So that's how you can create the AI assistant, and we are done with the creation of our AI assistant. Now we have to just activate it. Now for activating it you simply have to enable this. Now we have to click over the save AI assistant button for saving our AI assistant, and here you can see we have received this pop-up. Now if you want to embed this AI assistant to your business you can simply click over this embed button and you will get the script code. You simply have to paste the script code over your business and AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So that's how our AI assistant is built and embedded. Now let's test our AI assistant which we have recently created, that it's working properly or not. So for that again we have to move to our WhatsApp, and here I have entered this message that is hey I need help, and my AI assistant is responding to me. Now let's ask another question from our AI assistant and check whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. And here I am going to enter this question, that is provide the course details you offer. Now let's wait for the response. chatbots, and here our AI assistant is responding to me. And here I have entered this question, that is provide the course details you offer, and now let's wait for the response of our AI. And here my AI assistant has responded me with some of the courses. Now let's check whether is this the data I have provided over the knowledge base or not. And here you can see my AI assistant is providing the same detail which I have filled over this document. So this is how the AI assistant works. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So start using Pabbly Chatflow now and enhance your business. And stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistants like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.